Hello, friends, welcome back to Artistic Therapy Zone. Today, we are going to learn this beautiful impasto art with image transfer. This is me, my daughter, and my husband, and I gifted this beautiful photo frame to my husband on his birthday. If you want to create this beautiful art for your loved ones, then this tutorial is for you. We are going to apply impasto technique in which the paint is applied to the surface in thick layers so that the knife strokes are clearly visible. Impasto provides texture where the paint appears to be coming out of the canvas. These are the materials we are gonna use today. Mod Podge, palette knives, laser printouts of your photos, artist acrylic colors, and canvas board. First we have to apply a thick layer of Mod Podge on the full canvas. You have to cover from top to bottom everything. Then you have to place your printout in the reverse direction. Okay, no air bubbles should be there. You have to place it thoroughly. It is very important to place this image thoroughly without any air bubbles so that we get the proper print. Let it dry completely for 24 hours. Once it is completely dry, then we will wet it with water and move our fingers in circular motions very gently. You do not need to apply any pressure. We have to work with lots of patience because we don't want the print to get tore off. We have to remove only this paper that is on the top of the print. So we have to be very gentle with our movements, circular movements of finger. You can see how I am slowly moving my fingers in circular motion and removing the paper. So same way you have to keep following the process till the full paper from the print is removed. It will take time. It is little bit time consuming process, but don't worry. You just enjoy the process. It's highly therapeutic. Video speed is increased here, but you don't have to follow this speed. You have to follow what I have shown you previously. We have to be very gentle and very soft with our print. It is a little bit of time consuming process, but don't worry. Think of that you are removing all the negative vibes like sadness, grief, anger, anxiety, and all this is going off from your life. And all the positive things like abundance, success, luck is coming to you in the form of a crystal clear picture of life, just like this image. Now we have to apply 2 layers of Mod Podge to make this image permanently stick on paper and also give it a bit of shine. We need to keep in mind to make our strokes from left to right or from top to bottom, and very gently we need to do this. Once the first layer is completely dried, then we have to apply the second layer. Let the second layer also dry completely. Now we will be using the second technique, that is impasto technique. Impasto, we apply a heavy body acrylic paint with the help of palette knife to get texture. So I have taken paint on the tip of my palette knife and gently applying it. See how I am placing the paint on the canvas with very gentle strokes. What you have to keep in mind is once the paint is finished in your palette knife, immediately pick up more paint. That way you will get proper texture. An important note about texture is human brain loves texture. Whenever we see some texture, we definitely get attracted to it. and it also enhances the beauty of our artwork. See how the texture is increasing, enhancing the beauty of our picture. We are going to use various colors to give it a frame from all the sides, and the technique will be same. Colors bring happiness to the soul, and this art works as a therapy to combat with stress, anxiety, and it makes us feel relaxed, calm, and in focus of our surrounding. It helps us to concentrate on our work in whichever field of life. So just enjoy this beautiful art. Like this, you can create many personalized photo frames for your loved ones and gift them. They will be more than happy to receive such a beautiful artwork which involves their picture, and it will also make them remember you whenever they see this art, that it is handmade by someone special. So this is like a very good gift, and it can be made with minimum supplies, and you can make it for anyone, like your husband, wife, daughter, friend, grandparents, anyone whom you would like to give a piece of your heart. Color combinations you can take as per your choice or as per the liking of the person to whom you are gifting. So it's totally a personalized gift which involves their favorite colors, their memories attached with the image, and it will be an amazing gift. Ta-da! This beautiful artwork is ready to be gifted to your loved ones. Hope you enjoyed creating this personalized artwork. If you want to learn more of such artworks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Artistic Therapy Zone. If you recreate this artwork, don't forget to tag us on our Instagram handle. We'll be happy to share it on our stories. Do hit the bell notification icon, and until then, keep creating, keep enjoying art, you all. Bye bye. Thank you.